Alright, YouTube. It's 1280. Well, I'm in the garage doors section at Lowe's. And there's something different. Whoa. There's Craftsman half horsepower chain drive. 10-year motor, 1-year chain, limited warranty. IQ connected. Model CMX EO CG471. Yeah. It's Yep. And then behind it is the another half horsepower chain drive, single light, model CMX EO CG231. Very interesting. And then that's not all. You have this one. Craftsman 3/4 horsepower DC motor belt drive. Model CMX E0CG771. I don't know why they changed the model numbers. I honestly don't know why. It had a lot of writing on it. It has a model number, belt drive, 3/4 horse, Wi-Fi, IQ connected, and Craftsman all in the case. It's a lot. Yep. So I guess since Sears went out of business, I guess Lowe's took over Craftsman for them. Oh wow. Hello. He did. He did, motherfucker. Anyway. But then here's a Craftsman's keypad that they're selling in a red case. And then illuminated keypad, secure, easy to install. It's the same. No different. No difference at all. Model CMX Z0CG440. And here's the sensors. Same sensors, nothing's changed. Same sensor, brackets, hardware. Model CMX ZDCG480. Come on. There you go. Which is weird. They're selling these. And they're selling these. The Chamberlain sensors. They're the exact same sensors. Brackets, everything. There's literally no difference except Chamberlain and model 801 CB-P. That's literally the only difference. So, and then you got the C203 from Chamberlain. Wait a minute. This is new. This is the C253. Single light MyQ Wi-Fi enabled. So it's this, just with Wi-Fi built in. That's new. Alright. Still the same button. Wait, no, it's not. Take a look at this. And then look at this button. It's got the thing on the side for the light, like the 882. Chamberlain has never had that until now. So, I don't think that one. No, that's just your standard button. It's funny though, they don't sell like replacement remotes for these because they know you can either use these or use these or this. You don't need replacement remotes, but yet they have replacement sensors. Then you have the half horsepower B550. I've actually heard this in person. Very dusty, but very quiet. B970 and the B1381 with the LEDs, and then Genie's 1 1/4. But here's what's interesting: they sell the chain and the belt extension for Chamberlain, but yet they don't sell it for Genie. So if you want a 8-foot Genie opener, you got to go to Home Depot. So that's That's interesting. Then you got your springs, lift handles, oops, cables, safety cables, pulleys, plastic roller, which they're calling it nylon, which tells you open. We all know that ain't nylon, that's plastic. Look how much slop there is already. Supposedly that's brand new. Look at all that slop. Yeah, that's great. See if the other one's like that.